In a nation where diversity should be our strength, one city stands out as a beacon of hope and opportunity. But for one ethnic group, the dream of a better life is under threat. The danger of ethnic profiling is real, and it is time to speak out.
Just take a look at what they are doing to Igbo properties.
Join us as we explore the impact of hate speech and the power of unity in the face of adversity. Hear the stories of those who refuse to be silenced and discover why Lagos belongs to all, regardless of tribe or tongue. The future of our nation depends on it.
I am your friend, Dr. Charles Apoki. All those of you saying Igbos must go, use your brains for a while. We said the British must go. The British left. Are we better off than when the British were ruling us? Look at the government colleges that the British built. Their buildings are still very solid. Look at the ones your people are building. They don't last. Are we better off? Zimbabwean white people must go. Zimbabwean farmers left. Mugabe ruined the economy. Is Zimbabwe better now? They could have allowed the white people to stay just as the South Africans allowed them to stay, and the South African economy is better. Live in peace with the Igbos around you and your economy will be good. Learn from them. Associate with them. They didn't force you to buy land. They didn't force you to... Some of the buildings they built there, it was your people that acted as the builders, the contractors. Nobody prevents you from buying land anywhere in this country. And so don't be antagonistic of people who make progress. Any people that attack visitors and strangers, they always remain backward. The simple question I want to ask: are the Igbos in Shaki? Are the Igbos in Iseyin? Are the Igbos dominating Ogbomosho? Are the Igbos dominating Ede? Have you caused significant development in Igbo, Lanlate, Ayete, Igongon? Have you caused significant development? Why don't you invest in the land just as the Igbos are investing in the land? Yoruba people say, have a saying, you say it is visitors and strangers that makes a community to develop. So let's stop this rubbish talk about Igbo. Are they your major problem? Do they determine your salary? Do they struggle jobs with you? The average Igbo man hardly works in another person's civil service. He comes there as an entrepreneur. He comes there to solve problems. He comes there to meet needs. You be a problem solver, not a problem creator. The people who are people in your farmlands, people who went to people in a church, are they Igbo people? The people who are trying to take over your communities, are they Igbo people? In your suburban areas, are they Igbo people? Let's not distract ourselves from the real challenges facing us. There's so much hunger in the land. So much hunger in the land. Tell your people to invest in agriculture. Tell your pastors all these big prayer camps. Let them plant rice. Let them do poultry. Let them do piggery. Let them rear cows. Go and look at the rice farm Koscharis has. Go and look at the one OPM pastor started somewhere. Go and look at what OT is doing in Abia State. Professor Soludo just started an agric revolution in Anambra State is about to take off. Think. You fought the Igbos to make them part of Nigeria. Fought them. They surrendered to Obasanjo or Yakubu Gowon. Now, you want to You want to drive them away. And when they agitate for Biafra, you go and shoot them. Are you people reasonable at all? Are you reasonable? In my street here, I have a Yoruba man in the beginning. I had a Yoruba man in the next building before he sold it. If you go down towards the end, I have somebody from Benue State. Our children are growing up and living harmoniously. I speak Igala because Igala people lived with me. Agba, Aududu, Islavia, Nago. I lived with Igala people. My father saved Igala people during the Civil War. War is not good. War is not good. You don't understand what you are playing with. Please, stop this rubbish talk. Let's live together. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Check the Nigerian team. How many Igbo people have played over the years? They win victories for us. Ife Juna in Olympics. The Yorubas have excelled in their own. Our northern brethren have excelled in their own. We Midwesterners, we have done well in our own way in contributing to the economy and the development of this nation. No person is a parasite on any person in this country. If any person is to complain, we who produce the oil should be complaining. I have 24 oil wells in my mother's community. The biggest gas station is in my clan, Otorogo. So we should be complaining, but we can't complain because the federal government is there, the state government is there, the local government is there, the community leadership is there. We as individuals, as entrepreneurs, we can contribute to the development of our communities. I don't have any investment outside Nigeria. I don't have any investment outside Delta State, outside Yoruba land. I will invest here. You are saying Igbos you go, but you have Yoruba party in the UK. You have Yoruba party in Igbo. Use your sense. Thank God for reasonable Yoruba people that have come out to speak against your craziness.